Welcome to Psycho Autos.
This part must be cleaned regularly, or your car starts hard, guzzles fuel. Let's see the issue. Crank the engine. Nothing. Try again. C. Struggling to start. That's it. EGR valve. I suspect it's broken. Let's rip it out. Unplug the connector. Unscrew bolts. Okay, you can take it off now. My God. See, sludge everywhere. This is why your car is hard to start and has high fuel consumption. Now let's clean it up. Done. Mount it back. Okay, installed. Now I start the car. Come, start the car. Look, fires right up. The driving force is also very strong. Problem solved.